guys, ang luto ko ngayon lunch, Western food, guys. So, please, like my video, message, and share to your friends para mapansin tayo ni algorithm. So, thank you guys. Have a great day. Yan. May potato siya, may chicken, at may mixed salad. Western food. Oh, yeah. Yes. Tapos, nagawa ko ng sauce niya pickles.